honestly speaking, don't like his tight jeans, but I might like what's underneath them. No, I ain't been to MIA. I heard that Portland always rains and Kingston's hotter ways. First, let's see the West End. Show you to my bedroom. I'm liking this Jamaican boy, Jamaican boy. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me down to Kingston, love to see Mo Bay. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my Jamaican boy, Jamaican boy. Da 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 da. You'll be my Jamaican boy, Jamaican boy. Can we get away this weekend? Take me to Nate Grill. Let's go shopping, baby, then we'll go to a cafe. Let's get on the JUTC. Take me to your Garrison. Never been to Kingston and I'd like to see what's dressed in all the fancy clothes. Slam is looking fresh to death. I'm loving walking that walk, talk that slick talk. I'm liking this Jamaican boy, Jamaican boy.
Alors, nous sommes dans un endroit désertique.
Désertique.
Nous ne savons pas trop où nous allons.
Nous allons.
Nous nous dirigeons vers une destination obscure.
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 Attention. Allez, Schmitt.
Bah oui, c'est moi qui meurs.
Il est blessé. Troisième. Ça te va, Lucky?
Allez.
On va retrouver la mer.
Bon, celle qui est sous nous, hein, l'autre, on de Las Palmas, Gran Canaria. L'homme de bar.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pop, not the way that I do love you.
Well, holy, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Man, oh man, you're my best friend. I scream it too, there's nothing that, there ain't nothing that I need.
Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
Ça chauffe, petit pingouino. Allez, dans la soute, hein.
Merci maman pour les graines.
Through the jungle, through the dark, girl, I never loved one like